Instagram TV rolled out last year, but very few people are actually utilizing the way it should be, and even fewer have a system in place to actually grow your Instagram account with Instagram TV. So in this video, I show you my exact process and system and give you 6 simple things to actually grow your business and Instagram with Instagram TV. Because if you're not utilizing Instagram TV, you are literally losing out on thousands and thousands of followers that could be watching, engaging, and coming back to your own Instagram page and helping you grow your business and get more customers. So if you want to find out exactly how to do this, stay until the very end, because I'm also going to give you a completely free resource and masterclass. Not only how to grow with Instagram TV, but also how to crush it on Instagram completely, both on growth and monetization. What is up, online CEOs? My name is Josue, Pena, helping you grow and monetize your brand, business, and influence with social media and marketing. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that like button and that red subscribe button down below. So let's get right into actually growing your own Instagram with Instagram TV in this simple 6 steps. Tip number 1 is actually to just simply repurpose content from other social media platforms and other videos you have already created. This will help you optimize your own time without having to create any other original content by just taking what you already have and posting it on Instagram TV. But make sure that when you do this, it is actually optimized for Instagram TV itself, meaning that it's actually a vertical video. And if you recorded another video and you want to repurpose that, but that video is actually landscape like this one, just make sure that you re-edit it and you just publish it like this, instead of doing that weird rotating phone thing. Because if you do that, people cannot comment, people cannot like, people cannot engage with your video as the video is going through it, because they have to flip the phone and then flip it back around. Hello from the other side. Tip number 2 is actually use Instagram TV to actually give people what they want, aka value and meaningful, valuable, and original content. And I know this probably contradicts the first thing I said, which is not spend time on Instagram TV, but you actually need to spend time on Instagram TV to actually grow it. But what we have done is create this little spreadsheet and system where we actually take and see popular topics on BuzzSumo, Quora, and Google Trends, and just do vertical videos with those specific topics. We then take that vertical video and post it on Instagram stories, do little GIFs, design it, all that good stuff, and then a few days later we actually post it on Instagram TV. This helped us know what content to create because we're actually researching, and BuzzSumo, Google Trends, Quora is actually telling us what people are searching for. And then from there, we're just creating a simple 2 to 3 minute video, just giving it to them, talking about it, giving some value regarding to the topic at hand. This will not only help you create more original content for Instagram TV without even thinking too much about it, but will also help you create an emotional connection with your audience and give value to them, which then in turn will help you sell them later a lot easier. And the best thing about these videos is they probably don't require that much editing or that much extra work on your part, especially if you upload them first to Instagram stories, because you're already designing and doing the little GIFs and putting titles and stuff like that on Instagram stories, and then you simply download it and then you upload it to Instagram TV. Tip number 3 is actually deliver tutorials and product features, especially if you have an e-commerce store, through Instagram TV. A really great way to create an emotional connection and a bond with your followers and your audience is just to simply show people what you're doing, what your product is about, and what your company is about. And again, this can simply be done by just filming on your iPhone vertical and just showing it to people on Instagram TV. Teach them something valuable, show them something cool, give some value, and engage with them on Instagram TV. And at the end of the day, Instagram is actually going to reward you for it because they're actually pushing it hard right now. Tip number 4 is create a recurring show on Instagram TV. Your followers and your audience love watching your videos and your content, so why not give it to them in a consistent format every single day at the same time every single week? If you're able to do this successfully, people will start getting used to a recurring show and will come back to Instagram expecting that Instagram TV video you have promised them to upload. Think of Instagram TV as your normal recurring TV show, like Game of Thrones when it comes out. People love predictability and they literally work around their schedule just to see that content from you. But in order for you to actually achieve that, you need to be able to be consistent with it. So simply create a list of different topics and different videos you are going to make for the next 2 weeks or a month. Block 1 or 2 days and film all that content right then and there. That way you have all your content already batched up and you simply just gotta upload it when the time is right. And if you actually upload the video through the computer, you can just simply save it as a draft and then just hit publish when the time is right. Tip number 5, and that is host Q&A sessions and engage with your followers on a more personal level. One really simple way to actually do this is just gather the questions from your followers by just posting it on Instagram stories with that little question thingamajigly. But do not just leave an open-ended question like, ask me a question, especially if you're a girl. Because every single question you're going to get are from guys saying, are you single?
That was a joke. It's funny because it's true.
And if you're a girl watching this, you probably know what I'm talking about. So just leave a comment below. Tell me if I'm right or wrong. And if you're a guy and you just leave it, ask me a question, nobody's gonna ask you anything. So make sure you pre-frame the questions that people are going to ask you in the first place. And a simple, super way to do this is just to tell your followers to ask you a question related to the topic that you're an expert at. So for example, in my case, I just ask people, what is your biggest struggle with your Instagram marketing? Maybe you are a business coach and it can be something as simple as, what is your biggest struggle when it comes to growing your business? Or maybe you are in fitness and you simply ask people, what is your biggest struggle when it comes to weight loss? Or maybe you are a musician and you just tell people to leave your comments or leave your question when it comes to their favorite music. Using this question sticker on Instagram story will give you so much data from your followers and people that actually follow you and engage with you on a consistent basis that then in turn you can take that content and post it on Instagram TV by just answering those questions specifically. Your followers are going to feel greatly appreciated because you actually took the time to actually answer their questions in the first place, which then in turn will help you get a lot more views, a lot more traction, and a lot more engagement on your own Instagram TV. And the hidden benefit from this is that you're also tailoring your content to their problems, their struggles, which means that selling becomes extremely easy. Because if somebody tells you that their biggest problem when it comes to weight loss is that they don't know what to eat at night or they don't know what exercises to do, and you simply just guide them through a free Instagram TV video where you actually show them a free tips and tricks, and at the end of the Instagram TV video you actually say, comment down below, DM me, or click the link in my bio to actually get this thing that's going to solve your problem and your question that you just told me, do you think that people are going to actually take you up on that offer? I mean, you actually took the time to answer their question, gave them value for free, and show them how your product and service can solve that problem in the first place. They're going to take you up on the offer. So start using the question sticker on Instagram stories and creating content on Instagram TV related to that. Tip number 6 is feature customer success stories for loyal social proof. One of the best ways and biggest things that you can do in your business to actually grow it is actually get social proof or testimonials. Today, right now, in our own signature Instagram course and coaching program, IG Boss, we have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of testimonials from people who have been able to grow their page extremely quickly, they have monetized their following extremely well, have broken the 9 to 5, even built extremely successful Instagram agencies. One of them I recently learned made over $200,000 last year. Others have made $15,000 in 24 hours, and there's one that is at $1 million run rate right now. So our social proof, not only from students but from clients, really high 6, 7, 8, and even 9-figure entrepreneurs is extremely high, which obviously helps us help and serve more people by selling our services and products, or in this case, IG Boss. Plug, if you also want IG Boss yourself, click the link in the description below. It's going to transform your Instagram game forever, I promise you. So make sure you're gathering all those success stories, those testimonials, those video testimonials, and using them and putting them up on Instagram TV. Nothing is more persuasive than seeing other people just like yourself have results with a specific program, a product, or a service. Because if they were able to solve this problem and get this result with this product and service, you getting this product and service will also get that result and solve that problem for you. So make sure you're leveraging Instagram TV to showcase success stories and testimonials from the people you are helping and serving with your products and services. Question of the day: are you utilizing Instagram TV right now, and how many videos have you actually published on Instagram TV so far? I want you to comment right now down below. And again, these strategies apply if you have a personal brand, e-commerce store, a theme page, or maybe you're a little bit shy, don't want to be in front of the camera. These strategies apply to every single one of you. So make sure you take advantage of them and actually go out there and implement it. And if you want to find out a little bit more how you can grow and monetize maybe your own Instagram page, or maybe you want to build your own Instagram marketing agency like we have done and did close to $2 million last year, that little plaque right there is actually for that. Just go to igboss.com or click the link in the description down below. It will take you to a complete free masterclass where we'll actually show you step by step how you can do this as well. If you enjoyed these 6 simple tips to grow your Instagram TV, make sure you hit that like button down below and that subscribe button. And check out this video right here where I actually show you my monetization strategy to actually monetize any Instagram account, even with a small following.